Okay, guys, we're back with some festival girls. Today I have
Michelle
and
Anaya.
And where are you guys from?
Shoals.
Huntsville.
Okay, so what brought you guys to Hangout Fest? Who are y'all excited to see the most?
Post Malone and Megan Thee Stallion.
Yeah, Post was lit. What did you think about his performance last night?
I cried.
You cried before or after the fire? Because I was burning up.
Not burning up.
Literally.
The whole time.
The whole time.
Blown away, Lord. I was blown away.
Literally blown away. You guys, the wind is picking up out here. So last but not least, we're going to play a little game, Fuck, Marry, Kill.
Okay.
Okay, so the options are Post Malone, T-Pain, or Lil Yachty. You go first.
Ooh. Probably marry Post Malone.
Okay.
Ooh. Damn. Fuck Lil Yachty and kill T-Pain.
God, what T-Pain do to you? All right, what about you?
I'd probably marry Post Malone. He seems sweet. He's husband material.
See, y'all gonna share on
We can fight.
Right.
And then I'd probably fuck T-Pain. He older. He know what he doing. And then I'm sorry, Lil Yachty, but you gotta go.
All right, well, thank y'all so much for chatting with me. Y'all have a good one. Okay, you guys, we're back with some more festival girls. How are y'all doing today?
Yay!
Awesome. So, real quick, where are you guys from?
Here.
Awesome. That's awesome.
Look at Alex.
So, who are you guys most excited to see?
Tame Impala.
Megan
Yeah.
Thee Stallion. Jack Harlow.
Last night we saw Post Malone.
He was
so
so
good.
good.
It was really good.
Zed was
also very good.
Yes, that's awesome. Okay, well, let's play a quick game. Fuck, marry, kill, okay?
Okay.
All right, so the options are T-Pain.
Not a picture. We're talking.
Let me get in the picture.
You want to get in? Sure. Okay, you got to answer first.
Okay, all right, you guys go ahead. Okay, so we're playing Fuck, marry, kill. Okay, so the options are T-Pain, Post Malone, and Lil Yachty. Fuck, marry, kill.
Fuck Lil Yachty.
Okay, wait,
Kiss T-Pain. Kill Post Malone.
No! Marry Post Malone!
Oh, marry Post Malone.
T-Pain and fuck Lil Yachty.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
I am gonna
Yes.
marry Post Malone.
Fuck
T-Pain.
Marry Post Malone, fuck
And
T-Pain.
kill Lil Yachty.
No, but I love you.
I'm gonna fuck Lil Yachty.
Yeah, fuck Lil Yachty.
Why
Kill
does y'all like
T-Pain.
the second group that said that they'll marry Post Malone? This Post
I
Malone
love
is
him so
precious.
Yes, he's just
Yeah.
so
I will
kind.
fix all his alcohol problems.
He's just so kind. I love him.
No, he's just such a sweet guy. Like, I love his personality. He's like, he's
precious.
cool.
I have to go find someone.
All right, thank y'all so much.
Wait,
Bye.
what's your YouTube?
Here, do you got your phone?
Yes, I do. Can you?
Yeah, you
You're just gonna have to